Alright everyone, so this is my 2002 brand new Banshee that I just picked up, and supposedly it does run. I had the pink slip for it. I got it at a price that I could not let go. Let's go ahead and take a quick look around. So plastics, I'm going to go ahead and try with the heat gun, try to get these back to color. These pipes, 2M5s all the way to the back, but they are in pretty horrible condition. Still has the safety, you can say like decals, I believe. There's a tear on the seat, so I'll be probably buying a new seat cover for it. Stickers look, could use some new graphics as well. But overall, this Banshee is in pretty good condition. If you know about Banshees, you know the price has gone up ridiculously. Everyone wants these bikes. They're becoming very rare. Still have the stock heel guards. So overall, this bike looks pretty clean. Last time it has been started was about 2 years ago. So what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is I'm going to pull out the carbs. If you can, well, I'm going to give it a quick wash. You can see these carbs are really filthy. The whole bike is completely dirty. It was sitting outside. Like I said, it said like 2 years. You could tell there was a tarp over it on this half, and in the back there was no tarp. Hopefully these, after I scuff them down and with the heat gun, they'll come back to color. Some things I did notice with this bike is they don't have, so one thing I did notice is they do not have the Tours removed. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I could do about that. I think they have a catch can here. I've never seen that before. It doesn't have it in my other Banshee, so I need to do some reviewing and try to learn what all this is. So let me go ahead and wash it first. Oh, it came with a free strap. Take that strap. Yeah, that's a good sign or a bad sign? Bad sign because it means this bike always left them stranded. So he needed a strap. But I mean, overall, yeah, what I paid for this bike, the frame and the engine itself could give me that money back. I paid a really good price. The plastics are not cut. They're OEM plastics. These are getting hard to find. Everyone's cutting them. I don't know why. It's a disgrace, in my personal opinion. But let's just go ahead and wash this bike up. Still a little dirty, but gonna have to scrub that down. But what I used, the pipes are actually turning back to gray. I kind of wanted them black, but it's dissolving the paint, so I might have to repaint those. But stick along, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and do how to clean the pipes. And then as well, the plastics, you can see the white go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to remove, these are kind of like stress marks slash wear marks, and then the sun damage as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to remove that. But I mean, this bike is cleaning up really good. I'm really impressed with how it's looking. I know it's gonna start because it kind of sounds like it wants to start. Look at that, just clean bike. All the stickers came off with the power washer, but it's alright. I'll probably be getting some new decals soon. So this is just part one. I'm just quickly washing and showing you the bike and what's to come. So like I said, go ahead and like and subscribe. And in the near future, I am going to show you how to remove stress marks, the pipes, how to get them, looking more decent. And I'm gonna go really deep into cleaning it. I'm gonna get some brushes so I can get deep in there. And then I'm gonna clean the carburetor. That's gonna be a whole different video. I'm gonna clean the carburetor, and then we'll definitely get it started then. But this is just a quick little sneak peek to what's to come. This is one of the newest bikes at Drew's Garage. Like I said, just like, comment, subscribe. Like working on these bikes, it's hard and making the videos, but I learned off videos, so I was thinking I'll help other people learn off videos as well. That's what this is about, just helping each other so we can all go out there and ride and have a good time. Alright guys, have a good rest of your day.